Hey guys, glad to see you. This is Jack from Uber Machinery Equipment Company, and we are manufacturer. So today I gonna introduce to you guys another product of us. The let's see this line. This is a bun bread production line. And in the first, this is the molding machine. It comes when we put the flours that has mixed into this area and comes into the molding machine. Then it will be in shaped to be stressed, to be in the shape and come out into the conveyor belt. And later, this one is a trap feeder. You see, we put the traps that you want to be in the bread or those Chinese bread, 小笼包, that we know where the materials that you want to put the trap in it. So in this area, and this is a half trapped. Yes, to be half warped here, and when it comes, this area is gonna be rolled again, and will be so it will be totally warped and into a shape. And when it comes out from this area and finally comes here, then this is a cutting machine. A cutting machine will cut it very quickly. This is the parameter screen. And finally it comes all the way here. And in the last step, this is the arrangement. This is the plate arrangement machine. And it comes this area as the belt drops back. You see the all these bread buns will drop into the plate, and the plate can convey on this side. So it will be arranged just like 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, and then just be filled in all the in the plate. And this is the whole line of the whole processing program for the bun bread making machines.